What's up guys, it's Ali here and we got a laptop with a broken AC power or AC charger recorded. So what I mean is when you connect the power cable nothing happens, it doesn't receive any power or it doesn't charge. So that means first of all we're gonna test it out, what's going on with the charging port or AC power. So I'm just gonna unscrew every single screw from it, so just gonna pause the video here, don't want to bore you with this. So I'm just gonna take you process throughout this one. We're gonna have to unplug and remove the RAMs from it, and the second thing we're gonna do is remove the hard disk drive. Next we remove the keyboard from the top and a few screws from the top, unplug the flex power cable and the mouse keypad, make sure they're not pulled out and snapped, and we reveal the main motherboard. So what we can see here doesn't look very good, messy but anyway, we don't have to look at that one at the moment. We're going to test out the port. That's the main thing that we need to work on here. So yeah, next thing I'm just going to unscrew all the screws from the main motherboard. Make sure no power is connected, no battery is connected while you do this, because this might cause shorts and fuses into the circuit. So yeah, okay, we'll have to see what other screws are here on the top. So this is here, and then moving around it, and I don't see any more of the screws. Okay, I will have to unplug all these tiny teeny connections for speakers and VCT mic. Where's this one's mic one? There you go. So I think this one's the righty guys. So what we did here at the moment, we found out that this is the faulty bit, so we got a replacement for that one. As you can see, we replaced with the same one. It has to be the same model and same everything, so this is the new one. You can see still the stickers on, but this is providing power to the motherboard. So this is kaput, this one is done, so we're gonna chuck it away. This is when it's perfect working, so we have to pack back, you know, put everything back together, and then it should work. This is the connector. So just to reverse and refresh the mind, the main problem that was not charging or not doing any power, it was the main thing. There was the charging port in flex, which is here. We replaced that one. This is the old one here. You can see this one faulty. I don't know what caused, anyway. So we'll put new one, and this is perfectly working. We just tested it out, and yes, so this is done. In most of these boards, they got just a charging port, not with a, you know, plug and play one. They're like soldered onto motherboard, which needs to be unsoldered and cleaned out and soldered back again, the new one. If I have a chance, I'll do a video on that one as well sometime in the future. Right now you can see we just put a new one on, and it's still got the stickers on, so we're gonna just put it back together nicely, put everything back together, connect everything, and that's all done. This job is done. So the problem with this was the charging port. We replaced that one, and that's working. This is an Acer Aspire 75 something. So thumbs up guys, and you know, share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll come up with more videos. Thank you, bye.